Hello everyone, today you are going to learn how to make lava in Roblox Studio, and this is useful in obbies and it's just useful everywhere. So without further ado, let's start the video.
Game Yog.
Okay, the video has started, and first we need to actually add some parts which look like lava. So hold right click and scroll down. Next, click on the part button up there and scale it up a little bit just to make it look a little big. That's your choice, but go to properties and color. It needs to be red if you want it to look like lava. And the material, it should be neon because it really has that glow effect, which is just amazing. Next, I want to show you some important things in this game, so I need to load it up. First of all, I need to show you that the lava won't actually work. If I go here to the side and I stand on the lava, nothing will happen. Second of all, I want to share that in the Explorer, inside the workspace, this is your character. It's your username, and this is my character, and these are all of the things, but these are the parts, like left foot, left hand, left lower arm. So like left foot, if we see inside of here, if we go to left foot, then it highlights it over there. Left hand, it's highlighted. Left upper leg, it's highlighted. So these are all of the parts. Now it matters if you have R6 or R15 for your character, but these are all of the parts. This is your physical character. And inside the players, this is your non-physical character. This is like your actual player, it's not a character. Here's your player GUI, scripts, blah, 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 blah. We can learn that later, but now I need to tell you the script. For that, go to the Explorer, and first let's rename it F2 or right click like this, and let's call it lava. Now, we have to just click the plus icon over here, and script, if you don't find it here, then just type SKR, and script is over there. Not SKR, SCR. Okay, this is our script, and this is where we write all of the code. So we have to type local, and if I just type L, and you see there's local, if I wanted to type load string, then I can go down with the arrow keys, and I can hit enter for whatever I want. So local, enter. Then I will type lava is equal to script.parent. So what it says is that we're creating a box, and the label on the box is lava. The name of the box is lava. Inside the box, we have the script's parent, which is lava. So we created a box, which basically refers to the things inside, which is this part called lava. Next, we will type lava, because lava is the name of the box, but if we type the name of the box, it refers to the things that's inside, which is the part called lava. We'll type lava.touch. Touch is an event. It says that if lava is touched, then connect it to a function. A function is a block of code, and we're going to create a block of code inside of this. And this is, when we type function, it tells us, we tell it that we're going to create a block of code, and it must happen whenever lava gets touched. And then inside function, we'll create hit. It's called a parameter, and what it does is that it basically says that hit is the part, like the left leg, the left hand, whatever part that is, the part that actually hits the lava. And we need to know that part. So whenever we type this function, it automatically knows that we need to know what part is touched, and that's hit. Hit is also kind of a variable, a box inside which we put the body part. So next we go here in between of these two outer brackets and click enter. Then it'll put the ending spot for it, and inside of this we will type our code. So let's just create some space over here, and let's type hit local car. So we're creating another box, another variable, which is equal to hit.parent. So hit's parent is basically the player's character, not the player, but the physical character. And after that, we'll type car.humanoid.health. So basically, inside of the character, there's a humanoid, and inside of the humanoid, there's a value called health. So health and is equal to 0. So basically, what this is going to do is that it's going to say that the character inside the humanoid, and there's a value called health, that is equal to 0, which means it will kill the player. So now let's try it one time. Okay, let's go here. Let's walk over to the lava and oof, it works. So now we are I'm going to show you one more thing as a bonus part of this video. Okay, we have this, it kills the player, but one more thing, if you want it to reduce the health by 1/10, then you can type car.humanoid.health. So it basically says this is equal to the health minus 1. And 1, actually 10. You know what, just make it 10 because there are 100 pieces of health. There's 100 health, and if we do 10, then it'll be 1/10 of that. So let's load the game, and I should also rename this to something other than test name. Let's walk around, and boom, boom, boom. Now it reduced like 1/10 of the space, and that killed us slower than that, but it was still really fast. So out of 100, it could be like minus remove this much health. But if you want it to be normal lava, you can just type 0, which sets the health to 0. So anyways, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a like. If you loved this video, give it a subscribe because we only have 26 subscribers. And if other people want to make some lava, then share the video to them. As always, thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Game, yo.